Hi guys, just picked Zoe up from school. Do you want to say hello, Zoe? Hi. Yeah, I just want to bring up something that came up last night because somebody asked if we could do cleaning and keyholding services for their property in La Mata. Reality is, yes, we can, and we said, yeah, not a problem. But also brought up an interesting thing in the fact that sometimes when you're getting people a bit too far away from where they've agreed to do stuff, they may struggle to get there. What do I mean? Well, if the cleaning's a bit far away from where they actually live, and yet they might only need to do like a key holding thing where they don't really want to drive that far because they go, oh, I ain't going to make all the money, a lot of money by the time I drive there with my petrol costs and whatever. But that's part of it. So one of the things I want to mention is we don't just have people in La Mata. We've got people over at Quesada as well. And we're looking for other people as well we can work with, but it's all got to be to a standard that we're happy with and obviously what our clients are happy with. So I just want to put that out there that we do cover La Mata, Torrevieja, La Pippin and other areas, because it's worth asking, because if we don't cover it, we might be able to help find you somebody who can cover that area for you. But it may be better putting them under our management, because then if you have any issues, at least we're here, we can deal with them directly. Because I know a lot of people are renting out and they're not here, which is the whole point if they've got somebody key holding for them. But for example, say the clean wasn't very good, well, I'll be straight with you. I mean, I used to be the inspector for the councils, housing associations, and I used to go around and assess the work that's done by people. Everything from fitting a new kitchen to, well, even new roofs sometimes, to cleaning, because obviously we do these handover cleans as well. So the point being is I can maintain a certain level of standards right across the board, which is what I used to do for a living. Oh, this car's in both lanes. I can feel a beep coming on because he's on the telephone. Yeah, back on topic. So yeah, we can do cleans. We've got no issue with doing cleans. No issue with doing key holding, because you can also do a pickup service. So you can actually pick the keys up from us at the Papaloo bar as well. So there's another alternative, as well as we do the airport pickups and other bits and pieces as well. So we cover a fair bit of services. I just wanted to bring that up relating to, if you do take people on, just double check that they're willing to travel that far, if they're in the next town or something, because during the winter when work's a bit light, they'll go yeah, but then summer comes and they're picking up 4 or 5 jobs to do that are within 10 minutes of the house. Well, obviously they'll prefer doing those over doing yours, and that doesn't benefit you because they might rush around yours because they've got to get to another appointment. But anyway, not doing any negativity today. So yeah, if you do want anything from us, just let us know. And if it's something a little bit odd as well, just ask. For example, someone who's asking about doing the swimming pool cleans. Yeah, we do the swimming pool cleans. We do the pH testing. We do the dosing as well. So it's not just a case of we just do like electrical fixes, fitting water pumps or whatever anybody needs. We pretty much cover most things, and if we can't, we'll find out somebody who can. But also we're quite happy to manage things. So a lot of the time it's not a case of we have to go to the place directly. Sometimes it's a case of because we can speak Spanish to people, we can get things done where you may not be getting anything. Well, you may not be getting a result on something simply because they don't understand what you're saying. But anyway, thanks for watching.